Welcome to Cybersecurity 2026, the AI and Identity Frontier. This presentation delves into strategic intelligence on emerging threats, economic impacts, and defense architectures. Let's explore how AI and identity are reshaping the cybersecurity landscape. The 2026 outlook reveals a war of velocity and identity. With 1,673 weekly attacks per organization and a rapid time to exfiltration of 1.2 hours, the human capital deficit of 4.8 million unfilled roles is critical. Identity has become the new perimeter, and the shift from compliance to resilience is essential. The economic reality of breaches shows a stark contrast between global and U.S. averages. While AI defense trends down costs globally, the U.S. faces rising costs due to litigation, regulatory fines, and fragmented infrastructure. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for effective cybersecurity strategies. The AI paradox presents AI as both a weapon and a shield. Attackers exploit vulnerabilities via AI-generated code, while defenders use predictive intelligence and anomaly detection to counteract threats. AI is not just an attacker, it's a friction reducer in cybersecurity. Velocity is shrinking the window of defense. With active scanning beginning just 0.15 minutes after a CVE announcement, defenders must automate external patching to match the 15-minute breakout time. The shift in extortion tactics demands new defense strategies. Nation-state actors and geopolitics play a significant role in cybersecurity. From Volt Typhoon's deep infrastructure tactics to Cyber AV3NJ's social engineering, understanding these actors and their methods is vital for global security. Identity is the most reliable path in cybersecurity, with 90% of breaches involving identity weaknesses. Human, machine, and shadow identities all present vulnerabilities. Addressing identity drift is crucial to strengthening defenses. The supply chain and third-party risks are critical in cybersecurity. Compromised vendors and libraries can lead to breaches, with SaaS integrations and dependency sprawl posing significant threats. Understanding these risks is key to protecting your organization. The human firewall and skills gap highlight the need for a robust cybersecurity workforce. With 4.8 million unfilled roles, the threat of social engineering 2.0 is real. Addressing this gap is essential to fortify defenses against phishing, deepfakes, and other threats. Sector spotlight on critical infrastructure reveals vulnerabilities in the water sector. From billing systems to operational technology, lateral movement and default passwords pose significant risks. Addressing these vulnerabilities is crucial for protecting essential services. Strategic architecture focuses on expanding the triad of confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Security failures are often specific failures of these pillars. Strengthening non-repudiation, authenticity, and redundancy is key to robust cybersecurity. The Zero Trust imperative emphasizes perimeter firewall and microsegmentation. By verifying explicitly, using least privilege, and assuming breach, organizations can stop lateral movement and contain threats effectively. Operationalizing resilience moves from compliance checklists to operational speed. Frameworks like NIST SP 853-207 and DORA and Cyber Resilience Act guide regulatory compliance, focusing on mean time to detect and respond to attacks. The action plan for 2026 outlines immediate, tactical, and strategic steps. From inventorying internet-facing assets to deploying zero-trust microsegmentation, these actions are designed to enhance cybersecurity resilience. In conclusion, security is solvable. Attacker success is rarely determined by sophistication. Preventable gaps often enable intrusions. Innovation requires resilience, and securing the factory that builds the future is essential for robust cybersecurity.